Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about top 10 foods to control uric acid. A high uric acid level occurs when your kidneys don't eliminate uric acid efficiently. Things that may cause this slowdown in the removal of uric acid includes rich food, being overweight, having diabetes. So here are the 10 foods that can use to control the uric acid. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich with high catechin content. It is a potent antioxidant. Catechin, as believed by many, is used to slow down the production of particular type of enzymes in the body. This is extremely helpful in reducing the uric acid levels. Number 2. Fiber. Including fiber in your diet can be of great help. Opting for a fiber-rich diet can be helpful to reduce the uric acid level in the body. Oats, whole grains, vegetables like broccoli, pumpkin and celery should be included in the diet to lower the uric acid level. Number 3. Vitamin C. Include vitamin C and rich fruits in your diet to get the best results. Studies have shown that with a consumption of 500 mg of vitamin C every day, can reduce the uric acid level in a short period. Orange or sweet lemon juices are rich in vitamin C content and thus can be extremely helpful in providing you with the required amount of vitamin C. Number 4. Cherries. For those suffering from high level of uric acid in their body, choosing the right types of fruit can help in maintaining level of uric acid. It is always suggested not to include any citrus fruits in the diet when suffering from an increased level of uric acid in the body. All the type of berries like strawberry, blueberry, raspberry have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5. Water or fluids. Water is one natural cleanser and a fluid that flushes out the toxins from the body. So definitely drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. Fluids too are beneficial as they help in removal of the uric acid from the body through excretion. Number 6. Berries. Berries in general have anti-inflammatory properties made out of the substance called anthocyanins. This particular substance is beneficial and helpful in reducing high uric acid levels. It also prevents the uric acid from crystallizing and getting deposits in the joint that may later lead to joint pains. Number 7. Fruit and tomatoes. Fruit, just like the vegetables, are extremely helpful in providing relief from increasing level of uric acid. Tomatoes, which are also counted as a fruit rather than a vegetable, are good for your body and their high vitamin C content can help in reducing the uric acid levels. Number 8. Cucumber and carrots. Carrots and cucumbers are great for health if you have high uric acid content in the body. Carrots are extremely rich in antioxidants and that are good in controlling the production of the enzymes. These enzymes promote the synthesis of uric acid in the blood. Due to the high fiber content, they are also helpful in expelling the uric acid content from the body. Number 9. Vegetables. Vegetables help in reducing high uric acid level and also keep uric acid under control. However, if you are diagnosed with high level of uric acid, vegetables such as spinach, asparagus, peas and cauliflower should be avoided as they may contribute to increase the uric acid levels. Tomatoes, broccoli and cucumbers are some of the veggies that you need to start including in your meals. Number 10. Dark chocolate. The obromine is an alkaloid that is similar in structure to caffeine, which is mainly found in cocoa beans. It is also at the highest content level in the dark chocolate. The obromine alkaloid is very helpful to reduce high uric acid levels as it can help relax the bronchial muscles of lung. That's all for today's videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the notifications.